Small America ship and owner 546 as the expansion of exports of energy from America to Europe will follow also the import of dry cargo, bulk carriers, small ships, whichever also liquid ships, and America will be the focus to these local sales, moving around, growing the economies, generating transport, utility, life around businesses and so on. Let's hope that these politicians don't put any more tax, and of course they erase themselves from the economy. Yes, that would be a conflict of interest, wouldn't it? Therefore, it is going to grow the small ship and owners in America, all America, I mean Pacific and the Atlantic, Caribbean. Therefore, if you are in need to have fast reaction, because small ships are similar as small waves, you need to have fast reaction. You need to row, paddle very fast, stand up, hit, go to the top of the wave, get speed down, boom, and up and down and up and down. Yes, that's the only way. You don't sink. Think about it, because this is the real solution, Candina, for your small ship and your small fleet. In America, it will grow. 70% mathematics say macroeconomy. Is it like that? Of course. So why not have fast solutions, local crew, and at the same time help the economies of Mexico, of Cuba, Venezuela, Panama, Peru, Ecuador, Colombia, El Salvador, Honduras. Therefore, please be environmental, social, governance, transparent, corporate, social responsibility. Let's all be responsible and train these pools of crew to your small ships and the fleet and the small ship owner. So one day your company can grow with the same crew, and then you will become a big ship owner with big ships and excellent crew, local crew. Thank you. Bye.